Here I have DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section and then to the date and time. So if you want to set up your date and time manually, you have to disable this use network provided time feature. Here you can set up your date, here you can set up your time. You can also change your time zone if you disable this automatic time zone feature. Firstly you have to pick your region and then you can select your time zone. And you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour and your date format too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.